everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. And today we're going to make ultra easy cards. Now easy doesn't mean they have to look, you know, a little bit pants. They can be absolutely full of fun and colour. And to do that and to make it really easy, we're using pre-made items. Okay, so if you're new to crafting, or you're stuck for time, or maybe you want to take some crafting away on a break or a holiday, these are ideal. And today I'm using the happiness balloons, they're called. Memories and More card pack. So basically in the pack you get 50 cards. They're double-sided and they're in two sizes, and there are some stickers as well. And then to go with it, you can then purchase the coordinating card bases and matching envelopes, and they're in two sizes as well. So you're getting a good mix, and you can make a lot of cards quite cheaply and very quickly and easily. So because the card fronts are already cut and, you know, scored, you don't need your scoreboard, you don't need your trimmer, you don't need anything unless you want to. So let's have a look what we're going to make today. So I've pre-selected a few of the card that I'm going to use just to make it a little bit quicker, so I'm not flicking through going, what am I going to use, what am I going to use? So the first one that I've chosen is this one, and this is absolutely stunning. It's a double-sided card. It's got a pre-made sentiment on. These are the coordinating card bases, and this is how easy this is going to be. You just need a little bit of glue. Come on, don't let me down on camera. There we go. A little bit of glue, and there we go. We are done. That is one card made. How simple is that? But yeah, although that was simple, we've not compromised on design or colour or the look or the quality. That is a beautiful card, and I would be, and it will be going to somebody, somebody who is a winner in my blog candy will end up with these cards. Super easy to make, and then that will just go in the matching envelope and you are ready to mail. Now that is gorgeous. Okay, now I've got another one, another pre-made one. In fact, I'm going to just show you two, and we're going to do those really quickly, and then I'm going to show you a slightly more stepped up way of using them rather than just sticking just the front on. We are going to use them and build on it. So we'll have that one. So there I'm using snail. I'm confident I can get it straight, and I have a congratulations card. So in no time at all, I have made two very beautiful cards. These are awesome. All the work's been done for you. Right, so now I'm going to do a stepped up version, you know, where I'm kind of doing a bit of thinking for myself. I'm not sure if I want that one or that one. I'll go with this one. So what I'm going to do here is, I am going to use my trimmer on this one. I'm just stepping it up ever so slightly. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this card in half lengthways. So it measures 4 inches. So I'm going to cut, not in half, I'll cut it at 3. I'm just trimming some off. Now I'll cut it in half, and then I can use the other half of it to make another card. That's more frugal, isn't it? So we're just cutting it in half. We're selecting which colour we like. I think I'm going to have that with the more orangey bits on. Okay, and then I'm going to attach that to my card base, just there. So there we go. So this way, you know, you're adding a little bit more of your own kind of a play on it, rather than just stick and go. This is just a little bit more stepped up. So what I'm going to do a bit of stamping, and I'm going to use this one. I just need to give it a quick clean because I was playing with this stamp earlier and it has lovely lipstick ink on it. It's a beautiful, this is a beautiful stamp. It reminds me of using bubble wrap when you use bubble wrap in mixed media for stamping. It's a similar sort of look. Thank goodness for my Stamp and Scrub. I love this thing. It's awesome. If you've not seen one of these, they're awesome. I have the white sticker there so that I remember that that is where I put the spray. So I put the spray on there and then I clean my stamp and then I keep this one dry. So that sticker there just reminds me. So I'm not doing it wrong. And that's like, it's like velvety. And those fibres hold the ink in. And then you just take them out, rinse them under the tap. It's awesome, I love it. Right, so, stop waffling and get stamping, Amanda. I'm going to stamp it in Night of Navy. And it will show on the card base, even though it's the same colours. Because it will just be slightly darker. If you're not sure what colours go well with things, have a look in your catalogue. If you look on the pages where the items are, there's always a description and it tells you the colours that are in it. I'm just stamping that there. Okay. And this is good because you don't have to line it up and get it perfect. It's awesome, I love it. Okay, so that's just there, and then I'm going to go and do another row. I'm not too worried if it's not perfectly straight, but I'm using the edge of that. 1 minute. Sorry about that, my phone went. Oh, I forgot to put it on silent. Oh, I hate it when that happens when I'm in the middle of filming. It's distracting. Right, so let's carry on. Okay, so there we go. Now I could do another. I could have stamped all of that before I stuck that on, to be honest. That would have been more sensible. But, you know, I didn't think that far ahead. Because we're crafting on the cuff. Right, so I'm just going to leave that to dry 1 minute. Okay, and I'm going to make a sentiment. And I think I'm going to have... Let me have a look. I'm going to use... I like this because the Balloon by Balloon doesn't have sentiments in it. And that's really good because then that means you can use it for any occasion. We're not limiting ourselves. So I'm just going to pick my own, and I'm going to pick Hello because that's more useful to me. I do like to use the cards that I make. So if I can keep my sentiments fairly basic, I can send them to anybody. So I'm just going to grab some punches because we are crafting on the hop. I haven't decided which punch I'm using yet. I actually think I might use this one. Yeah, this is the Share My Story punch. Now, this came out during Celebration. It's not a Celebration item, so you don't get it for free, but it's a Celebration coordination because it goes with the Share My Story stamp set. In fact, let me just go and get it. Part of my story. So this punch was designed to coordinate with this Celebration stamp set. Now, you know, we've only got a few more days and both of these items are going to be gone, so if you would like them, get them. This one you have to purchase, this one you can get for free. So if you purchase this, perhaps with the card pack that I'm sharing with you today, get your order to £45, then you'd get this stamp set for free. So I quite like this. Here's to those who inspire us and don't even know it. I think I might have that instead of my hello. I've changed my mind. I've absolutely changed my mind. That's not like me, is it now? And I'm going to stamp on some, let me just move that out of the way. I'm going to do it on some white card. And I'm going to do it in, no, I'm not doing it in that colour. I'm going to have it in a lovely bright, lovely lipstick. I just have to be careful with this one because for some reason I get it everywhere. Okay, here's to those who inspire us and don't even know it. So let me just check that stamping nicely, which it is, and I'm going to just put it there so that I've got room to punch around it. Beautiful colour, even though it gets me messy. Alright, so let's just punch that out. And that fits in there perfect. Because they are actually made for each other in actual real life. Beautiful. Okay, so let me fold my card base over. Now, do I want to, I think I want some more colour under there. So I am going to just use some lovely lipstick. And I'm just going to punch another 2. I'm going to stick them together. To make that bigger. I love this punch. I love the shape of it. I think it's really pretty. And then I'm just going to... Not on there. I was going to make another card, but I've actually run out of the large card bases. So we'll have to do a mend, but we've not done bad. Let me get that straight on there before my phone rings again. It's been like... it's been going like a Chinese restaurant this morning, my telephone. It's been non-stop. Okie doke, so that's on there. Now to cut costs, I'm going to use glue instead of dimensionals. And also it makes it flatter for mailing. And how easy is that? So we've made those cards really in no time. I was going to make the smaller one, but the video's dragged on because my phone went. So we'll just have those for now, and we have got 3 beautiful cards from the Memories and More card pack and matching card base and envelopes, and I think those are really, really lovely. So that's 3 cards I've got to go in my card basket now. Good to go, easy peasy, dragon sneezer. Give it a go. See you soon. Bye.